Today I'm gonna show you how I make these interesting textures and adding highlights in different colors so they pop and give the piece some more depth and more dynamic feel. So let's start to make some amazing textures. So I start with putting down some modeling paste, make a flow in the painting from the corner to corner. And I will start to put down some aluminium foil where I put the modeling paste just to give it some more textures. And I will start to smooth out the edges before I start to add more modeling paste. And when you're happy with the textures, you can start to put down some white base color. And I will start to put down the turquoise color just to have it like the centerpiece of the painting. And I will start to add a darker blue and fade it into the turquoise color. And I will add another layer to build up some darker blue in the corner. And when I'm happy with the darker blue, I will go in with some pink. And I will start fading it out and adding a bit of water too, to make it easier to fade in the blue and to the turquoise. And here I will start to add some yellow beige color just to give it some more dynamic feel and have a bit of variety in the painting. And I will put down a black wash on the painting and spread it out with a brush. And then I will go in with a sponge to remove some excess color just to give it some more depth. And now when the painting is all dirty, you can go in and start to put down the highlights. So I start to put down some turquoise highlights and I will go in with a white color too. And here you have it, the final result. I hope you liked it and I really hope you learned something. So see you in the next video.